Hi, welcome to SAP Controlling course from Om Tech Solutions. So this course is prepared by experienced SAP Finance and Controlling consultants. They have multiple global SAP Finance and Controlling implementation experience. SAP Controlling. SAP Controlling module provides information to management for planning, reporting, and monitoring of business operations. This course will provide tutorial on below topics in SAP Controlling. Controlling overview, organizational structure in SAP, cost element accounting. This will include topics like primary cost element, secondary cost element categories, cost element groups, etc. Cost center accounting. We will discuss in detail and cover some of these topics, cover most all of these topics. Master data creation, like cost center creation, statistical key figures, activity types, cost center planning, activity type, automatic and manual price calculation. So activity type price calculation, which can be done through system or it can be also manually calculated. Cost center budgets, actual posting of expenses to the cost centers, variance analysis. Then there are multiple reports in SAP cost center planning. So there are standard SAP reports and you can build custom reports in SAP using Report Painter. So we will go in detail and explain how to build custom reports using Report Painters. We will discuss standard SAP reports. Then allocations, assessments, distributions, functionality in cost center accounting. So all these topics we will be covering hands-on on the SAP system using a SAP test system. We will go through the business scenario. First, we will understand the business requirement, understand the business process, then map it to the configuration in SAP and do the hands-on SAP configuration in the SAP system. And then the configuration will be tested using end-to-end business scenarios. Next topic, product costing. Product costing is definitely a complex topic, but we will be covering in detail this topic. And we will explain not only the business process, but the full configuration required for product costing. And then we will test the configuration with the end-to-end business scenarios. So the topics covered in the product costing will be costing sheet, costing variant, valuation variant, cost component structure, work in progress / result analysis keys, bill of material, routing, product costing month-end process, various calculations, etc. Internal orders. Product costing will also include the month-end process. So some of the key activities in month-end process are actual activity price calculation, revaluation of operations activities at actual price, calculation of actual overheads amount, work in progress calculations, production order settlement, and variance calculations. So all these activities will be covered in the course and we will explain you in the SAP system. But the methodology is first to understand the business scenario, the business process in controlling, then to map the business process through SAP configuration for various controlling components in SAP, and then we will be testing it through this test scenarios. Other components like internal orders and profit center accounting will also be covered in the same manner. So we will be doing the understanding, going through the business process. We will be doing the configuration of controlling components like organization structure, cost element, cost center, product costing, internal orders, profit center accounting, master data setup for this SAP configuration, testing of the SAP configuration using SAP end-to-end business scenarios. Also, we will provide support to the students' queries on SAP controlling topics, which are discussed in this course through Udemy messages functionality. So, welcome to your journey on becoming SAP Controlling Consultant. Thank you.